So in this lesson, we are going to make eyelashes, and we can use previous method of extracting an area for eyelashes, or we can use our entire head mesh. So I'm going to use the entire head mesh as a source. First of all, in here, I'll create a new correction, eyelash. Then I select the head, I'll come to shape A, then I'll come to curve, then empty hair. And empty hair, I'll name to eyelash. So I'll go into scope mode. Thereafter, I need to add eyelashes here. But before we add eyelash, we need to look for a reference. So here I'll load the reference. So this is eyelashes reference. You can see how our eyelashes are made. At the root they are apart, but when they come at the tip, they merge together. It's like a cramping. So we can create this type of eyelashes. So we are going to make these eyelashes. So let's go into making. We did create our eyelashes object. I'll go into scope mode. I'll start to add eyelashes in this area. So I'll add one here. Enable project, and then I'll add another one here at the end. Need to face outward, the same as this one. Need to create this direction, and then I'll add another one here at the center. So I'll go into modifier panel. I'll add a new geometry node, need to be above the surface. This setting, the setting that we used here, will be the same as on eyebrow. So I'll load the geometry node for eyebrow. So I'll search for eyebrow, here it is, and I'll load the material. I'll select it and apply the material here, material here. So the next step is we need to put them down and bring them together at the tip. Go into scope mode. I'll add one here, but after adding it, I want to combo it. Next, I'll add it here and I'll combo it. So next thing, we're going to make this down part. The down part are not main at the top part. So come to add and we'll let disable shape for now. So here one, I'll combo it downward. Here, the trick of combing them quickly, you need, like when I add it here, if you use a brush with small size, it will take a long time. So what you need to do is just increase the size of your brush and you combo it fast. I select this and this and slide them down a little bit. So this is how you make eyelashes. This is the mistake you see here. Would not make on this side. We are not using X Miller. If I choose your fit, Shift D. So we duplicated them. Then what I can do is first select head, then cursor to selected. Then come to this one, the duplicate. Then I'll enable scale at 3D cursor, scale X -1. So we've already duplicated on this side. On this side, I'll go into scope mode, then on curve, I snap curve to near surface. So this is how you make and add eyelashes. So see you in the next lesson.